Welcome to FertSpread. This video discusses using FertSpread to enter and process information collected in the field. Log into your FertSpread account. Click the Login button. You can now start a new assessment. I'm going to use information that was entered for a previous report. The test date is entered in year, month, day format. Fill in the rest of the information, and when you are happy, click the Continue button. Vehicle details are all optional, but it's very useful information for when you want to review the report later. Click the Continue button. Most of the spreader details are also optional, but again very useful information when reviewing results. The bout width, spread width, and whether you're using to and fro or a round pattern are important and must be filled in. Fertiliser details include the product, whether it's nitrogen based, and the target rate per hectare. You also enter the bulk density. If you have sieve analysis information, enter that data here. You must have a 0 rather than a blank cell, and check that the numbers sum to 100. FertSpread will calculate the size guide number and the uniformity index for you. Catch details are entered on this sheet. Enter the number of trays that you used, the tray size in square meters, and the tray spacing in meters. Optionally, enter the wind speed and wind direction. Again, this is useful information when you review. Based on the number of trays that you've entered, FertSpread will create a table for your data. If you have an even number of trays, add 1 and enter an odd number. This is because there's 1 in the center and an equal number on either side. Just enter 0 in a tray that you didn't use. When you are happy with the data, click the Continue button to finish the calculations. You can view your report or edit the report here. The report shows the test information that you've entered, fertiliser information, and graphs the particle size. The top graph shows the individual tray weights that you measured in the field, and then based on the bout width that you selected, calculates overlaps for both a round and round and a to and fro application pattern. The bottom graph shows the variability that you would get for a range of different bout widths. The green line is 15% coefficient of variation, the maximum for nitrogen fertilizers. The red line at 25% is the maximum for all other fertilizer types. Our data shows that our spreader would get an acceptable spread pattern up to about 16 meters, and again about between 22 and 24 meters. In the middle, there's an area where the overlap gives excessive variability, and once you go too wide, variability is again too high. You can click Create PDF to get a storable item to save with other records.